Hi everyone, my name is Jim. I'm a first year jump roper, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about the 360, my variations on it, and some pointers I'd like to give to you guys so you can get better at learning this trick. Now there's all kinds of people that do this trick differently. Some people do it with one side swing, some people do it with two side swings, some people don't do it with a side swing at all. I do it with several side swings, and I'm just going to be showing you this, my basic variation on this. I do a left hand side swing, right hand side swing, backwards jump, to another left hand side swing, and into my side swing cross. So it looks something like this. And the variation I have on it is when I'm doing my backwards jump, I will actually cross my arms. So I'll show you from this angle because you might not see it otherwise. And the third thing I do is I like to start off my routine with some one arm swing, and I'll transition into the 360 when I go from the one arm to two arms. So it looks something like this. If I start off, I'll do my behind the back pass and then underneath the leg. And that's how I'll transition into my 360 and also get into my jump. Now, one of the best things you can do to learn this 360 is to do a 360 side swing without a jump. So again, it's one side swing, second side swing. You don't jump here, you do another side swing, and then another side swing and jump. So it looks something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're into your jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into your jump. And from there, it's very easy to just put your jump in there. 1, 2, 3, 5. The one thing you want to make sure with your footwork is that you're not anchoring one foot down and pivoting around. You want to be alternating those feet all the time throughout the routine. So even if you just practice that, that's something. The other thing you can get used to is just doing a one arm swing 360.